Hi guys, I'm Kingmoo. Today I want to show you my perfect Altoids mini palette made by 3D printer. This is 3D printed part. One of my friends gave it to me. You can purchase this online too. These watercolor tubes are from Shinhan, aka SWC. There are 32 colors of tubes, but my palette has only 24 rooms, so I have to pick 24 colors like this. I arranged the colors first like in rainbow orders and then put the secondary colors between them. Started with reddish colors. I often use my teeth to unscrew a cap of tube. Every person does this, don't you? It's very helpful to use a needle to flatten the paint. For your information. Thank you. Next. Brown and yellowish colors. Thank you. Next. Thank you. Next. Thank you. Next. I'm so grateful fucking for my ex. Thank you. Next. Thank you. Next. Finally, bluish and purple. Ta-da! Do you see how beautiful it is? I'm really grateful to my friend. Thank you, Haejin. A small panel for mixing colors and glued magnet. Oh, I need to make it empty. I attached the magnet underneath of the palette so that it will not be set apart from the tin case. Whoa! 8 pieces of magnets are enough to make them stable. Right? Oh, clean. I've made my own small portable palette before, but this is a magnificent piece because it contains 24 colors at the same time in this small case. I drew a tree with the new palette. Thanks for watching my video, and please check the URL below where you can purchase this amazing 3D printed palette. Thank you, see you next time!